Hi, my name is Tiffany. I work with Associated Heating. Today we're going to be showing you how to clean filters on a Daikin ductless unit. You'll want to grab both sides of the front cover and pull out, and then lift up until you hear a click. To remove the filters, you'll grab the front tab, lift up, and then pull out. Same thing over here, lift up and pull out. If you notice some debris buildup on the evaporative coil, please be sure to give us a call for a cleaning, as they are very fragile and sharp. There are many options for cleaning these filters. You can vacuum them off, blow them out with air, hose them off outside, or you can clean them in the sink. That is our recommendation, as well as using hot water to do so. To clean these media filters, you'll want to rinse them from the back to the front. It's best to use hot water. So just a rinse from the back and a rinse on the front. Now, if you notice some excess grime buildup, you can use a small brush and Dawn dish soap. That'll get it right off. Remember, hot water is best. Then you'll let them air dry, or you can wipe them off with a cloth before reinstalling. Once the filters are clean and dried, you'll want to reinstall them. It's important that you keep it within the groove. Push up and then click them into the tabs. Same thing on this side. Push up and then click them in. To close the front cover, you'll want to be sure that both the left and right sides click in, and the center, just so you know it's seated properly. Thank you for watching our video today. If you have any questions, please note them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more tips. Hopefully we see you soon.